Welcome to Egypt, the land of pharaohs, pyramids, and timeless monuments. Today, we explore the incredible story of Hatshepsut, one of the most powerful and unique rulers in ancient history. She was not just a queen, but a pharaoh, a woman who wore the crown of Egypt and led the nation for over 20 years. And the best way to understand her story is by walking through the places she built and left behind. Our journey begins in Luxor, once known as Thebes, the grand capital of ancient Egypt. This city is a living museum. Here, you find temples, tombs, and monuments stretching back thousands of years. But among them, one stands out, the Temple of Hatshepsut. As you approach, you see tall cliffs of limestone rising above the desert. Carved into this mountain is her masterpiece. The temple looks almost modern. 3 wide terraces stacked on top of each other, linked by long ramps, palm trees, and gardens, once decorated the front. And the whole temple glowed with white stone in the sun. It was designed not just as a tomb, but as a place to honor her reign. So who is this woman who built such a wonder? Hatshepsut was born the daughter of Pharaoh Thutmose, the first around 1507 BC. She married her half-brother Thutmose II, and after his death, she acted as regent for his son, Thutmose III. But soon, she took the bold step of declaring herself Pharaoh. To show her power, she dressed like a king, wearing the royal crown and even the false beard. But make no mistake, she was a woman ruling in a man's world. And she proved that she could do it with skill and vision. But Hatshepsut's story is also a mystery. After her death, many of her statues and carvings were destroyed. Her stepson, Thutmose III, became pharaoh, and for reasons still debated, he tried to erase her memory from history. Some think it was revenge, others say it was politics. For centuries, her name nearly disappeared. It wasn't until modern archaeology uncovered her temple and rediscovered her mummy that her legacy came alive again. Today, she is seen as one of Egypt's greatest rulers, male or female. Standing here, looking up at her magnificent temple, you feel her presence. Hatshepsut ruled with vision, courage, and intelligence. She showed the world that leadership is not about gender, but about strength and wisdom. So if you ever travel to Luxor, make sure you visit the Temple of Hatshepsut. Walk its terraces, read its walls, and imagine the woman who once walked these very steps as Pharaoh of Egypt. This is the story of Hatshepsut, Egypt's female pharaoh.